I do during egg freezing that doesn't make sense. First, I'm not really religious, but I do believe in spirituality and psychics in Asia. Like the way my psychic in Korea has been able to predict so many things about my family is ingenious. But I also have this that was gifted to me. It's a vintage jade peanut. And peanuts in Chinese, in China, does represent the sign of fertility because it's called Hua Sheng, and Hua means flowers, Sheng means growth, and it means longevity, but it also has a side auspicious meaning for fertility. So I've been like carrying this around with me so that I can have a successful egg retrieval process. So I love giving myself lymph massages because especially I'm like so bloated these days. I feel like this is a good way to just kind of like detox my system. I have really small veins, so throughout this whole process I think I've injected more in my arms for blood work than my actual stomach, and I honestly think that has been the hardest process throughout all of this.